Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to show or hide comments in your Canva design. So what you want to do, once you have your Canva design available, guys, in order to show or hide a comment must be already there on the particular element. So what I'm going to do, I don't have a comment here, so I'm going to show you also how to add one. Simple click on the element, let's say this ChatGPT one, and once you click on it, you'll have the comment box up here. You can also right click on it and you'll have the option to add the comment, right? So you can simply click on comments and you can type whatever. So I can type, for example, chat GPT, and I'm going to go ahead and let's say submit my comment. Now a comment is there. Now in order to show or hide the comment, it's very easy. Currently it is showing, but I can hide this comment by simply right clicking on this document and I have the option to hide comments. So if I click on hide comments, you will see that it's no longer showing. So no one will know that comment is there. But I can right click again and I can do show comments, and it's going to show me two comments, and I can hover over them, click on those comments to view, and you can see that it shows both comments. And that's it, guys. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.